All right, we're at part 2.
Okay, last video we made part 1. Now we're gonna open the rest of these guys. Okay, so Twinkle Heart picked the purple one. Last time, so Twinkle Heart is a little octopus. So we're gonna open this. Open sesame!
Ooh, that was hard to open.
Damn, please no duplicates. Got another checklist. Let's put in the check. Never mind, it's going on the floor.
Check on the floor is where it's going.
Can I have the scissors?
Here's your scissors, madam. Oh my goodness.
Please, no duplicates. I'm gonna close my eyes for this one because I want no duplicates.
All right, so only the viewers are gonna see it. It's clear. What is that? Ooh.
Last time we got a key, so I have no idea what this thing is.
Is there anything else inside of there?
There's stuff. There is stuff.
Here, I can help you.
There we go. So again, we have this little guy.
And this is what we've gotten so far.
This tape. What did they put on these things? Oh, tape. Alright. Mr. Scissors.
Oh my goodness. What is it?
Dun,
What is it?
dun.
Dun 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 dun.
What is this guy?
Oh, he's cute. Oh, it's a bird cage, right?
It's a glass bird cage.
Or is it an igloo?
It's an igloo. It's a penguin.
Is it a penguin?
It's a penguin. Wait.
Oh, I guess you put him inside. Or her. Him or her.
It's a heart.
It's a her.
It has eyelashes.
Okay,
So
then
it's
it's a
hard to
her.
see on screen.
All right, I'm going to come down here so we can see it really good.
So what is this thing for again?
I don't know.
Hasbro, what is this for?
Hashtag stick it in there and click it open. I'm not sure.
Hashtag, what is this?
It's a crystal.
Yeet. Well, so we got a penguin this round. Okay.
See here. Let me see.
Oh. It's cute. I just don't know what to do with it.
Oh, same thing you do with all the toys. You just
Play with them.
I think.
Okay, I got this open.
Oh, sorry. I was too busy playing.
Okay, I have no idea what this. It just got his fold cat.
Oh, cute.
Is this Maine Coon?
I'm not sure if it's supposed to be that or not.
Wait, is there a checklist?
Is there a checklist on it? Looks like there's no checklist on this one.
Give me the back. Nope, but Hasbro, thank you.
Did you look in here to see?
No. Hey, there's supposed to be something down here.
Ah, we are missing a piece. It's okay.
But I love this little Scottish fold cat. It's so cute.
It is cute. I'm not sure. I guess it's supposed to be a Maine Coon cat, like you said.
I like the Scottish fold one.
Yeah, she's really cute. Aww.
It kind of looks like Fushi.
Meow. Meow.
Stop playing with it.
So cute. And are we sure that they're both cats? I know that one is, but is that one actually a cat? Oh, it looks like a cat, doesn't it? It's either a cat or a fox, right?
It's a cat. Dang it.
Okay. All I can see is her butt.
I like boobs and cannot lie. The first get the night.
Such a cute kitty. Oh my gosh, she's my favorite. What's her real name? We need to find out. I want to call her Sweetie Cakes. And I want to call this one Foxy. No, I don't know. What would you call the brown one? Brownie?
Yeah, that's a good name.
Brownie.
This one's gonna be...
Guess what I just found?
The
The
checklist?
long missing remote control. Oh my gosh. I just found it because I was digging in the couch. Dun
Why?
dun dun!
Okay, we're not
Okay,
making
back to toys. Sorry.
We
I
already
was so
passed the
excited.
5-minute mark.
Okay, well, I guess we have to be done then. So.
No.
Until next time, right? And maybe next time we can figure out what their names are and we can tell you what their names are since we didn't get a
Or
checklist.
you can make a comment down below.
Okay, comment down below and tell us what their names are. Let's get one more good picture of these cute little...
Or a guess or just like a suggestion.
Okay. All right, so comment and subscribe, please, to the Greek glitter.
Wait, no, it's Helene now because my brother
I
changed
thought,
it.
no, it's the Greek glitter goddess. I don't care what he says, you are the Greek glitter goddess. Look at you. Glitter, sparkles, Miss Fabulous. Glitter, sparkles, Miss Fabulous. Okay, till next time.
Meow, meow.
Whoa, come back. There was a blur.
Meow, meow.
Meow, 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 meow. Oh my God. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.